Alright, what's up guys? So I'm back here with another video, and in this video we're going to be learning about conditionals, which are an extremely important part of Python. So let's get started. New file, save as. Alright, let's change this to conditionals. And let's change the type of the file to Python. There we go. Let's press save. Alright, so in this video, we're going to be covering equals, not equals, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. So, you already know most of these, but you might be wondering what the first two are. So, this one, exclamation mark equal sign, is not equal to. And that basically just checks to see if the two values are not equal to each other. And the first one might be a little more confusing. So this one is equals, but you might be wondering, don't we already have an equals? Yes, but that's a different one, and there's a subtle difference, and it does something completely different. Alright, so the one you already know is the one equal sign. The one we're going to learn today has two equal signs. So the one that you already know, it assigns the value on the left to the variable on the right. This one, which we're going to be learning about today, it checks to see if the two values are equal to each other. And when you print these, they're going to return a boolean. So let's try it out. And now when we run this, we get true, 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 false, true, false. And that is correct based on the input that we gave to this. So I know that right now you might be thinking, what's the purpose of this? Isn't this kind of trivial? I mean, these things are pretty obvious. And yes, that is true, but conditionals are extremely powerful once you get to things like if statements, which is actually our next video. Once you use conditionals in certain ways, they become extremely powerful, and conditionals are one of the most important things in Python. So thanks for watching this video, everyone. I really appreciate it.